All right, hey everyone, how's it going? We're going to start a new project this week. It's going to be a pretty neat one. I think this is going to be even neat. So last week we did the shared canvas, which was a lot of fun. There was a lot of fun symbols showing up on the screen. We're going to do something similar. The second version of that, which is 1 million divs, where we have just a million divs on the screen. And instead of having to click, this is the great part. Instead of having to actually click or touch the screen on your phone or click on the mouse, all you have to do is move over in and out of div elements. We're going to create an event pattern that will recognize when an element is hovered over and then immediately trigger a pixel to be rendered. That's the plan. That's what we're going to do. I'm really excited about it. And there's a lot of approaches that we need to consider. There's some bitmap math that we have to do. There's a lot of stuff that we got to do. I'm just kind of pretty excited about it. I've been thinking about this for a while, and I don't even know what we're gonna do. I don't even know how to do it. We're gonna figure it out though. So let's get started in our markdown file. We are going to call this the 1 million divs, and there's some challenges here. Some architectural challenges. Let's go through those. So we've got a problem with a lot of divs. Too many divs to render. Make browser slow. Right? There's just too many divs. There's so many divs. Do we draw all the divs at once? Or do we hide the divs? I think we might. Or do we slowly render in the divs? Just very slowly over time. Like, so instead of like bloating the page with immediate like boom, a million divs all at once, do we just sort of slowly build into it so you can display? I want to display everything all at once. All right, so vision. All right, so we display all divs all at once on the same screen. That's what I think that's what the plan is. All at once. And the problem is slow. It could be slow. We need to solve the slow. I think we can do that though. Okay, there we go. I'm pretty sure we can do it. Okay, so too many divs to render. We have how many colors? Right? Because that could be right, and then wait challenges, and then maybe like to do items, maybe features. Let's go into features. How's it going there, Mr. Y without AI? Oh, because we're trying to keep our skills fresh. I'm trying to. What's your name? Savas Burnham. Welcome on in. Good to see you. Happy Monday. Yeah, why without AI? Because we are trying to keep our skills fresh. As a software engineer that has honed our craft over 2 decades plus, I want to be able to make sure that we, keep hold of some of that. Is it a skill that we need to keep hold on to? I don't know. I think so. I think it is. Here's why I think yes. Because even if you're driving the AI to write all the code for you, I've been seeing that people who have crafted their skill from an engineering perspective over many decades are getting better outcomes. They're getting better outcomes than those who have not whatsoever. You run into like little problems that you don't even know if you're right or wrong, or if the AI is right or wrong, because sometimes it can still be wrong. All right, so we also need features. Okay, so let's lock into the features. So a color theme. So what? Because there's only going to be so many colors. We're not going to do every possible color. All right. So too many divs. Oh. Then storage and retrieval. Storage and retrieval. This is another big problem. Storage and retrieval. It's another problem. Businessman, respect or experience skill. They believe AI. I know, don't they? They sure do. They don't. No longer do they do. However, I'm a businessman. Hey, Kyle. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Monday. We are going to be doing the 1 million divs today. I know what you're saying there, Savasu, yeah, the business, like the CEO's like, I use AI and it can do amazing things. Everybody should use AI, right? Because it takes all the skills. You don't need to have skills anymore. There's no skills you need. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. It is a problem. they still, the more skills that you do have, though, you are able to more collaborate with an AI, and I feel like that's a big part of the picture as well. I feel like it is. Too many divs, storage and retrieval. How do we need to chunk it, right? We need to chunk it. Chunk the data. So like maybe into like 10 kilobyte chunks or something. Maybe 10K chunks. Something like that. And then we need to do compression. Maybe. I think we got to do some sort of compression. So like bitmap considerations. Bitmap considerations. Thank you for the heart icons there. Thank you for the heart icons. I'm pretty sure that's you, Kyle. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure. Good to have you here. Bitmap. So binary. Yep. Got the binaries in there. Okay. All right, it's good to see you guys. Welcome on in. Happy Monday. How the heck did you know? I assumed. Pretty sure. I see what's going on. So over the weeks and things, when you have people in the chat room and when we're hanging out, we're spending time together. And I pay attention to like all the reactions and notifications and things, and I see ya. I'm pretty sure. Hey Yashi. Oh Yash, welcome on in. Good to see ya. Hi, welcome. Good to see ya. And we'll have Monday. All right, so we're doing 1 million divs. It's a lot of divs. It's a lot of divs. How are we gonna take care of that? With so many divs. So many divs, you guys. All right. How are we going to do this? Finland created Wi-Fi and energy. Google it. Wi-Fi energy. You mean they're harvesting the Wi-Fi radio as power? You can do that. It consumes the Wi-Fi, though, if you do it. It takes away the Wi-Fi if you want to. Obviously, because it's a broadcasted, like omnidirectional broadcast, right? So you don't, there's a whole bunch of Wi-Fi that you don't need. It only needs to be to and fro to the device. Using lasers, radio, and other waves. Hey, it's all energy, right? It's all waves, right? Lasers and radio, that's electromagnetic energy, right? Electromagnetic waves. Lasers, there's photons, right? Radio, it's also a photon, isn't it, Richard? It's just a lower frequency. Hey, subject of AI, good to see you. Welcome in. What are we doing today? We are building 1 million divs today. That's a lot of divs, and it's going to be multi-user experience, right? So, features, multi-user, so we can all paint. We can all paint at the same time. Thank you for the hearts reactions, you guys. So we can all paint or modify each div BG color all at the same time. That's what we're gonna do. Color theme / colors. How many colors? How many colors do we need? We can't have too many, because if we have too many, then it's too big. It's too big. So maybe we should do 5K chunks, so that way we can have maybe it's a little bit faster at 5K chunks. I think that's a good idea. I sure do. Welcome on in, you guys. Good to have you here. Happy Monday. Happy Monday, you guys. All right, 1 second. Where'd that thing go? Oh, there it is. It's right there. Okay. So good to have you here. For those of you who are new, I don't know if you know who I am. My name is Stephen Blum. I'm the CTO at PubNub. We raised a lot of money. We're 134 million. We got 1 billion devices connected. A lot of devices. And we're going to be using our APIs today to build a multi-user experience. Hi, I'm back. Brendan, welcome back. Good to see you. Happy to have you guys here. We're really going to build something this is going to be really neat. I'm really excited about this. Since we started the shared canvas last week, remember the shared canvas where we had a whole bunch of pictures and things like that? That was really neat. That was so neat. That was a lot of fun. It's going to be something similar. We're going to do something similar. This one's even easier, though, because you just move your finger around the screen. It's like even builder. What are we building? How's it going there, Bullet Clips 99? And also, thank you guys for the hearts and reactions. We are building something called 1 million divs. We're going to have 1 million divs on an HTML page, and you'll be able to directly interact with those by changing the color of the div background, and it will work across all the users who are on the page at the same time. It's going to be pretty neat. Stop talking and start to code. I know, right? Mateus? You could turn that into so many mini games. You sure could. All right, let's do some code, you guys. You asked for it. Here, get status Git init, git status, git add. All right, so I'm going to start our Git repository here real quick. README ready-ish. We're just gonna start coding. By index.html. All right, so we're gonna need some styles. Style, style, perfect. And then we're gonna need our divs, right? We're gonna need the canvas. So this will be our div. It's all gonna be divs. It's all gonna be divs, you guys. Div ID equals canvas. And then everything in here is gonna be the divs, right? So this will get filled in. This will get filled in automatically. So this will be divs appear here. Let's start off with just creating a whole bunch of divs inside just as a placeholder. All right. All right, so here, let's put a bunch of divs in for now. There we go. Okay. So we're just going to get things going. We're just going to get a few things going here. All right, so let's do a script here. Script. There'll be more to it. There'll be more to it. Don't worry. This will all get dynamically generated. So this will divs appear here dynamically. Dynamically. There we go. Why the canvas you made won't work anymore? Oh, it doesn't? Yeah, it sure does. It sure does. What do you mean? It absolutely does work. It better. It was working just a moment ago because I looked at it this morning. So let me double check. Let me see. It would be in here under our link share. Here it is right here. Oh, you're right. It's gone. Where did it go? Okay, well, let's fix that. 1 second. Oh, because I changed the name of it, maybe. Okay. 1 second. Here we go. I changed the name of it. That's why. Sorry about that. It's still there. It's just a different name now. Here, I'll put it back on link share. I'll put it back on link share. So this is what we did last week. We created a multi-user canvas sharing app, and it works. It does the trick. It does the trick. And see, copy paste. Let's open a new window there. All right, so you can see here, we've got, two canvases all at the same time. It works. So we're gonna do something similar with divs. Instead of just being a canvas, it'll be like HTML divs. And it's gonna be different. There won't be a color swatch because this is more CPU intense. The version that you see here on the screen right now, this version is actually the efficient version. We're gonna do something that's not efficient. It's not gonna be efficient. All right, let's go back over to our text editor. All right, so script. Okay, and then we are here. Okay, so how do we want to do this? There's a whole bunch of things we got to do. Hey, Torva. Hi, everyone. I'm probably going to go since the service provider is doing maintenance. Oh, no. Getting that internet up and running. Have a great rest of the stream, everyone. Sounds good, Torva. Thank you for stopping on by to say hello. All right. So how do we want to do this? All right. So let's get the elements going. So let's get our canvas. Const canvas. Which isn't that, or how about we just call it divs? Because let's just keep everything div mode. So I'm going to call it divs. Const divs equals document get element by ID divs. I'm just kidding. This is going to be great. All right, and so divs dot what is it? How do you add an event handler again? Hold on. e/desktop desktop. And then what was it? Here we go. All right, let me open this real quick so I can get a remembrance. This is our code from yesterday. Last week, query selector, event listener, add event listener. Okay, that's what I want to do. How's it going there? Hello, MG, if you cannot pronounce my name. MG, okay, MG. All right, MG, right? Mercy Goran. Mercy Goran. Mercy Goran. MG, if I can't pronounce it, good to have you here. All right. So let's keep going, you guys. All right, div.add event listener. And this will be mouse move, maybe mouse down. I've got an idea. It's going to be the same. It's going to be the same no matter what. So we're going to have a whole bunch of, so function, act. Action, mouse, how do we want to say this? Motion. Let's call this motion. Event. Like this. There we go. Motion. Perfect. So keep it simple. Keep it real simple. And then we'll add mobile support as well. Never mind. I can't read. You can't read? Wet Rock. Welcome on in. Good to see you. Happy Monday. Hey, how's it going there? Daniel. Daniel, welcome on in. Good to see you. Happy Monday. All right, let's add a few things here. Hey, how's it going there? Sachin. Good to see you. Sachin Row. Sachin Rowat, you guys, is here. Mouse move. Touch start. Touch start. And touch move. Okay. The only thing is we needed to grab we have different XY coordinates. There's a get function here. Get the XY. Let's copy this function from last time. And we don't need to worry about XY coordinates. This is going to make it even easier. It's going to make it even easier. What's he coding? What are we coding, you guys? What are you building, buddy? How's it going there? Good to see you. Leakin, Daniel, what are we working on? Oh, 3 in a row. What are we building? All right, you guys. So it's called 1 million divs. Here, actually. So I'll pull it up on the screen. I'll pull it up. AG Daniel, thank you for subscribing. Happy Monday. Yeah, we're building. It's called 1 million divs. It's gonna be pretty neat. I said a whole bunch of divs on the screen. Is this Python? Hey, how's it going there? It's Joe. Welcome on in. This is JavaScript. We're doing JavaScript HTML. Bro boy, welcome on in. Good to see you. Happy Monday. So good to have you guys here today. All right, so we are building 1 million divs. It's going to be on the screen. You're going to see essentially a bunch of blocks. Looks like this. Whole bunch of divs. And it's going to be multi-user experience. Hi, bro. Welcome on in. How's it going there, Sonish? Sonish, good to see you. You know Java? Nice. This is very cool. Well, JavaScript is sort of like a subset somewhat. Hey, Emmanuel, welcome on in. Thank you for subscribing. Good to have you here. Happy Monday. And this is going to be pretty neat experience. I'm just going to say, it's kind of like a shared canvas experience, except for every single div will be interactive. Every single div. And as you sort of cursor over the divs with your cursor, it'll change the color. And it's shared across multiple users. So how long have you been scripting? All right, Broby. So, bro boy, just to let you know. Oh, whoa, you guys are getting busy over here. Yeah. So if you remember, previously we had a shared canvas app here. The shared canvas app is what we did last week. And y'all are getting busy on it. Look at that. I know this is more exciting. The shared canvas app's definitely more exciting. Don't worry though. I think I'm pretty excited about the divs. Keep going, bro. We'll keep going. All right. So those who are asking, so since you guys are here, you're curious about it. Let me tell you. I'll tell you. So let me get my window size properly here. All right. So those of you who are new, my name is Stephen Blum, CTO at PubNub. What you're seeing right there on the screen is other people drawing, and it's coming over on my computer right now. That's powered by my technology, PubNub. Stephen, look at the canvas. I'm looking at it right now. You guys are getting busy. What are we building? We are going to be building something kind of like the shared canvas this time, except for instead of it being a canvas where you can just paint, it's going to be divs. It's similar. I don't know if it's going to be as exciting because, right? I don't know if it's going to be as exciting. We can battle it out. Would you say that enabling multiplayer experiences with PubNub tech is easy and scalable? That, Kyle, that sure is. Thank you for mentioning it. Thank you. How do I join? It's on our Discord, bro boy. On our Discord here. So I know we already built. It's like it's taken over. like I wanted to start something new. It's on our Discord. So you go here on our Discord, under link share. Under link share on our Discord. Right there, link share on our Discord, you guys. So since you guys are, enjoying this, I'm going to keep this over here on the side so you can see it. So you can see what's going on. I'll just pull this over here to the side. And then I'll keep it up. So that way, if you guys want to... How do I join the Discord? All right, here. I will paste that on for you. 1 second. All right. You want the Discord. Let me see if I'm actively trying. Perfect. Okay. Let's do a edit invite link. Hold on a second. 1 second. You really want the link share. No, that's not what I want. All right, 1 second. Let me pull it over. 0. All right, better. escape, link share. Now we can get it. Now we can get it. All right, I'll get this just for you, bro boy, since you asked. And this is generate new link, copy, at bro boy. There you go. There's the Discord. There you go. So now, if you want, chat. Hey, hi, chat. Hello. Good to see you. All right. Hi. So now you can join the drawing if so you want. It's under link share. It's under the link share channel. This music is hilarious. It's pretty good. Solo Bolo Clips. So it's good to see you. Welcome on in. Genuinely curious. Haven't built anything with it, Kyle? Then yes, absolutely. You're right. It is absolutely easy. I agree with you. I agree. How easy would it be to multi-web experience? Very easy. As you can see, it's just a few lines of code. So I'll show you here real quick. Let me pull this cam over here. There you go. So it's this easy right here. So you can see the PubNub functions, right? See a PubNub subscribe right here, and then a PubNub or another PubNub subscribe for the occupancy if you want, and then a PubNub publish. That's it. Send and receive. It's super easy. It's really easy, you guys. Also, we need to bring that in as well. We'll bring that in here in a second. So I want to CP the bitmap PubNub here. Okay. Git add status git commit am. All right. So baseline setup ready for dev. Oh, we don't have a branch yet. We didn't put it anywhere. What script do you know? What script do you know? So I know JavaScript, we know Python, we know Rust, we know C, we know C++, we know Java, we know a smidgen of Erlang, a little bit of, we said Golang already, right? We know a little bit of PHP, a little bit of C#, some .NET, Old English. Yep, the Old English script, you guys. You know it. All right. So let's see here. I want to grab this here 1 second. Let me pull this over so you can keep seeing on the screen there. All right, I need to go to, I want to push this to GitHub real quick. One moment, I'm going to create a new repository. Get a new repository going here. Let me pull this over here. New repository, please. Yes, there it is. That's what I'm looking for. New repository, perfect. Okay. Perfect, you guys, perfect. You motivate me, Steven. Solo Bolo Clips. That's so great to hear. Thank you. It's fantastic feedback. Do you know HTML? Yes, I sure do. We're doing HTML right now. HTML and CSS. That's the plan for today. If you want to spend time with us today, HTML and CSS is what we're doing. So you got to see some HTML. A lot of divs, right? It's a lot of divs. All right, so this will be 1 million divs. There we go. So many divs. And I want it to display on the screen all at once, which is a problem, right? That's one of the hard things. You don't know CSS? Hey, don't worry. It's actually pretty straightforward. And if you don't know it, you can just have the AI to write it for you, right? You don't need to know it anymore. You don't need to know it. Oh, there we go. Drawn out at the time. There we go. Okay. We got to say Steven. All right. Create new public. I want to be public. Public, please. Thank you. Okay. Create. More appropriate question, Steven. 25 years of experience in coding. Yep, subject AI, you know it. Would be what script he doesn't know. Then he would instantly switch scripts and are not useful. All right, which ones do I not know? Oh, wait, so we know Lua as well. What do I not know? So different ecosystems, right? Different ecosystems. You can know a language like Python and C. However, things like, for example, Qt is a whole framework. Right, and you can have that Qt in Python, Qt in C, and if you don't know those frameworks, you don't know them. And I've never taken the time to learn them. However, I know the language is okay, well enough. Right? Thank you for the reactions, you guys. It's so good to have you here. Happy Monday. Welcome on in. We are doing shared canvas experience. Obviously, over here from previously, we're doing 1 million divs today. What printer you use? Zero printer. No printers. That was one of the things that I was like, I don't want to own a printer. I don't. And like, how do you print things out? I don't print anything out. There's no printer here. There's no printer. Because why? You're wasting paper. Everything's digital. And I even did this more than 2 decades ago. I'm like, everything's digital. Why do you need a printer? You don't need a printer. Hey, Jinlu, good to see you. I'm late because you falsely converted time zones. Oh, no. Hey, don't worry. We only been live for about 25 minutes, so you got plenty of time. Got plenty of time, you guys. All right, let me copy this over here. Let's go back over here. All right. Save this. Merge to main. There it goes. All right. Did we get it? Is it there? Or we uploaded it? 1 million divs. All right. So we've got a problem, you guys. We got a problem. We got to solve this problem. It's pretty difficult problem. Get X. Here we go. I want. Did we copy this function? Yes, I think we did already. We did. We copied it. Perfect. We copied it. All right. So I believe we can close. Wait. There's a few CSS things that I need. Touch actions, none. Things like that. Okay. There we go. Canvas. I'm going to copy and paste a few things from her. Div ID. Touch actions, none. And then we also want it to be width and height full on like that. There we go. Perfect, you guys. Paper used extremely valuable. Everything was printed. It's wild, wasn't it, Kyle? I know. Bro, add age verification. There are some inappropriate things. Stop. Oh, are there? Wait. You mean on the? I wasn't even paying attention. Bro, you don't like to print either? Yeah, I know, right? There's no need to print. There's no need. No need whatsoever. W. I saw a W over there. W. S. All right. Sounds good to me. A whole bunch of squiggle marks. You got it. Okay. Yeah. Could you explain why you choose to do this project 1 million divs? Like, there any reason for selecting this project? Yes, it's difficult. Spiritus official. There's some challenges. Here's why I am very curious about. So let's go ahead and close this. I'm pretty sure I have everything I want, right? Is there anything else I want? No, there's flex. There's a flex here. And there is, where is that? Border. Let's copy these guys real quick. All right, let's grab these. Overflow hidden. I'm just grabbing a few things here. And then gap. Gap will be 0. We want 0 gap, right? No gap whatsoever. And that won't happen here. That'll happen on the divs. Let me do a little bit. Hold on 1 second. Let me type type a few things down real quick. Div, child element. There we go. Div of div on canvas. 0 pixels. All right, now I think we'll be able to close this. Perfect. Okay. All right. So 1 million divs because let's do this. Control W split. Open my README. The challenge. There's too many divs to render. So that'll be a fun problem in the challenge, right? Storage and retrieval. Chunking the data. That'll be difficult, especially when so many users are modifying the data all at once. Compression. Binary math, right? We got to do some binary math. These are fun challenges that we can do. And multi-user live, right? Live multi-user. Spell it properly. There we go. Exactly. Do you do IT or data science? Yes, I do both. Bro boy, both. We do both of them. Absolutely. Data science will start again in a week or two. So we're going to do data science in a week or two. We're going to do some more AI stuff, you guys. We'll get back into AI stuff here in a week or so. And if I gotta save anything, I just hit the save button. I mean, that sounds like a good approach to me. That sounds pretty good. Exactly. You don't need to print it out. You just save it. There's no need to print it. The AI can't hurt us, even in Vim. I know, right, James? Exactly. In Vim. It's good to have you guys here. Happy Monday. Thank you for joining in. Also, you're having a lot of fun over there on the campus. I can see you. It's so good to have you guys here. All right, so those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Stephen Blum. I am the CTO of PubNub. You're currently experiencing the technology being used right now. Right now, this second. Camilio, welcome on in. Camilio, thank you for subscribing. So good to have you here. And we raised 134 million, and we've used that money to build the world's largest data stream network. It is a global communication network. We've deployed across all of Amazon's data centers. You connect to the closest data center, and you can get amazing multi-user experiences just like this. Just like this, you guys. It's so good to have you here. Make me canvas mod, please. All right, canvas mod. I know. There's no way to do that. We didn't build it. There's no way to do it. Thank you for the reactions and likes, you guys. It's so good to have you here. Yeah, so this is me, and then you're using my technology right here. Yeah, look at that. Yay, smiley faces. Bro being using Apple phone. That's the right way. You know it. What brand of phone you use? I use an Android, you guys. I use an Android. I use Android. I used to be iPhone. I used to be iPhone, and then we switched over to Android because I like it better. I like it better. So good to have you guys here. Happy Friday, you guys. All right, let's keep going. Let's build this. Let's build it. How are you guys doing the boxes? How do you do the boxes? Like, there's a box. How'd you do that? Yeah, the X. How'd you do the X? The X. See the X. How do you do that? I'm the one who wrote the software, and I wrote it all by my hand. How do you do that? How did you create the technology? I wanted a way. So over many years. All right. So over many years, the technology I created was necessary to get mobile phones to communicate because there's no push notifications. Yeah, exactly that. That is really neat. I like that. You're also using colors that are not on the canvas. So I had 4 fingers. Is that what you did? Oh, got it. 4 fingers. Okay. Use Google Pixel phone. Nice. Nice. I use OnePlus. Each corner is a finger. Oh, now we know. Got it. Okay. Government. Let's see. Something about the government? What? I don't know what that is. Hello, sir. My name is Virendra. Hey, good to see you. Welcome on in. I have done E and CSE, fresher, computer science, engineering. Can you provide internship or anything? We don't currently have openings for internships. If we do, I'll post it on Discord. I'll post it on Discord. So good to have you guys here. You hold down and more fingers on the screen. All right. Lender, got it. That's how you do it. How did you get all those colors? They modified the system. It's open source, so they modified it. You guys. Okay, sir. Yep. Join the Discord. I'll let you know on Discord. We do have open roles. You guys, we do have some open roles. So you scroll down to the careers section right here. And then you can see how many positions we got available. Here you go. We got some open roles right here on our website. Bro be adding 10,000 modes. So many modes. All the modes, you guys. All right. So the plan for today, so good to have you here. We're using my technology, PubNub, which we have 68 patent claims that have been granted. There are patent claims, and you can see why, because it's so fast. It's so satisfying. See how quick and smooth this is? It's all real time. It's so fast that painting that you see on the screen is actually going through my network and then back to your phone before it even draws the color. That's how fast it is. It really is that fast. What's up, Steven? Hey, how's it going there? Orf, welcome on in. Happy Monday. All right, let's get back into coding, you guys. Let's get back to some coding here. All right, so we've got multi-user compression, storage, too many divs. That's what we're doing. Do you teach people how to code? Bro boy, yep. Bro boy, we're doing it right now. Exactly right now. Did anyone say that coding isn't dead? Yeah, they sure did. Because the AIs take care of it for you. You know, we need to do what we're doing right now. I'm just old, you guys. I'm in my 40s. How did you learn all of this? I am in my 40s, and I've done this over many years. Time capsule fact over many years, you guys. You put a picture of some you make for school in general. You did? All right, General, we'll check it out. Also used the new Google Pixel phone. Nice. I need to upgrade at some point. It might be taking over the world. It sure is. All right, let's see if we can get something going here. Jinlu, you had something on Discord, you said? Let's see here in general. All right, let's take a look. In general. What do you got here? Oh, hey, you got some code going on. Processing voltage. What's voltage? This is a temperature sensor. And you've got, what language is this? It looks like JavaScript. It looks like C, and no void. It's void. So this is, what language is this? I feel like I should know. String. It's not Golang. I know that. What is it? What language is this? Oh, it's Java? Oh. All right. So that's one of the languages that I never want to use. JavaScript. It could be. It looks JavaScripty, right? Hiring from Poland is based. Is it? But that's what we're doing. We've got a whole office over there. Can anybody help me with Lens Studio? I don't even know what that is. What is Lens Studio? What are we doing in CSS? We are building 1 million divs today. 1 million divs. The AI love ignoring OWASP. Yep, exactly. The security, James. You know it. The security. You know it. The security, guys. Hi, Grishelin. Good to see you guys. Look at the dark blue writing. Dark blue writing. Where's that at? Dark blue writing. In the screenshot? I don't see what you're talking about. I had to do Java for school. At least the graph works. Hey, at least the graph works. Hey, nice. It's groovy. Oh, yeah, Harish. It could be groovy. It could. That's a whole other JVM language. The Scala, right? Clojure, another one. Canvas. There's so many languages, you guys. Can't wait to see the NetBeans model. The NetBeans model. What are you talking about? What are you talking about, you guys? All right. How do I access the Canvas subject of AI? It is on our Discord. Here, I will share this here with you a moment. Subject AI. I'll send you a direct link. So I'll copy this at subject of AI. So at subject of AI. There you go. Right there. Click it. And then it is right here on the link share. Just click right here. It's a link that you click right there. Really easy. Casually saying, can you make Jinlu? Yes. Okay. You know, Jinlu, it should have been a mod for all these times. I can't believe you're not a mod already. 1 second. Add. There we go. Add. There we go. Jinlu, there we go. Nominated and whatever comes after nomination. Election, right? And then you've got it now. Jinlu, now you're there. You wrote the heart for Steven. Thank you. Thank you, Brandon. Appreciate it. Brobo, you should make a website about making your own modes and filters. Oh, your own modes? We could do that too. There's so many things you can do with technology, you guys. Deep learning model for forecasting. Hey, that's a good one. I want to do that. We will be getting back into AI. We'll bring back PyTorch and Python. Those are in the future. That's what we're going to do in the future, you guys. That's the plan for the future. You know it. That's the plan for the future. You know what? Let me double check that I got all your chat messages real quick. You should make website, deep learning forecasting, website about making your own models. Yep. It's P5JS. Oh, good. Hey, Warren, good to see you. You should make a website. Yep. Let's see, P5JS. You got so many P5JSs, you guys. All right, new rule. You must say Java is bad at least once per stream. You love the vibe, Harsh. Thank you. Good to have you here subscribing. Thank you. Appreciate it. Jinlu has all the power now. Yeah. In beats, the economic-trons is the already there. No need for PyTorch. All right. That's right. We looked over that, right? Econometron. Yep. Konoichi. What? Technology is getting advanced. It sure is. Steven, how much time has it happened that you leave your phone on your chair and then you sit on your phone? Maybe, I don't know, once a month. Maybe once a month, I assume. Maybe around that much. All right, let's get going here. So I want to, we don't need this anymore. We just need, hold on a second. One client. Wait. There's a problem here. There's a problem, you guys. Hold on. I'm noticing something broken. So this is wrong. This is wrong. Something's wrong here. I know this is definitely wrong. So there's something broken. All right, we need to fix this. There's something missing. Bye, everyone. I'm going to go make something with PubNub tonight, and hopefully I can share it next stream. That sounds great, Kyle. That sounds great. Good to have you guys here. We've got plenty of time, though. We're not going anywhere here on the stream. Hang out with me. We're going to be writing some code. What camera do you use? This is a Sony camera. When you upgrade phones, you would recommend the Pixel 9a. You would. It's a good phone. And now that 10a is coming out, which is basically the same, you can get 9a at a discount. You sure can. This is broken. This is broken right here. We got to fix it. Right here, it's broken. I'm missing some details. Hold on one moment. Or E, desktop, and then bit. There we go. Canvas. All right. So touch. All right, one moment. Oh, I know why. Okay. So I think it's because of the event types that we're using. Pointer down, pointer move. Okay. So this is the reason. So I need to go to capture. Here we go. This is it right here. So get XY, pointer up, drawing, broadcast. I'm just double checking here, you guys. Prevent default. Yep. Okay, we do need that. So that is the default right there. See you, Kyle. Thank you for hanging out. I'm gonna go feed my cats beer. All right, sounds good. Gotta feed the kitty cats. All right, so this part is actually fine. What I need to do is use the pointer events instead of these other events. That's the plan. Thank you for the reactions and the likes on the stream. Good to have you guys here. Hey, Puffin, Puffin, welcome on in. Happy Monday. Good to see you. Thank you for saying hi. So it's called pointer down. And then I need pointer move, right? Hold on. Pointer. Oh, hold on 1 second. Pointer up, pointer down, capture. This is it right here. Pointer move. All right, it's pointer move. Excellent. And then we don't need pointer end. We don't need it anymore. There we go. We just need down and move. That's it. Those are the only ones that we need. That's the only ones that we need. And then we should say return false because we don't want to bubble. How do you prevent the bubble? How do you stop bubble? Do you guys remember? Do you guys remember how to stop bubbling? We got to stop the bubbles, you guys. Do you know how to do that? Do you remember how to do that? We need to stop the bubble. To do stop bubble. We got to do that. 1 second. Thank you for the hearts and likes, you guys. Good to have you here. Happy Monday. Bubble. B-U-B-B-L-E. How do we stop the bubbling? If you remember, let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to internet for it. How do we prevent bubbling? All right. DOM, HTML, event, listener, prevent, bubble. All right. Let's do this. How are we going to do that? I think it's just return false. Stop propagation. Okay. I think that's it. Okay. So we need to do stop propagation. Stop immediate propagation. Wait, hold on. Wait. What is this? There's multiple things. There's prevent default, right? We did that. Prevents the action from the event and linking navigation to the URL. That sounds good. We learned that. Good. Not only stops the event from propagating further up the DOM, also prevents any other event handlers attached to the same element for the same event type from being executed. Ooh. Oh, yeah. All right. We want that. That's what we want, right? Hey, YouTubers 3. Good to see you. Our name, welcome on in. Happy Monday. We are building a shared multi-user experience. If you want, you can join in. And thank you for the hearts and the likes and reactions. Thank you for joining on the stream today. So I believe we're going to do this one. Prevents from moving up further to DOM tree, stopping bubbling, capturing. Not only stops the event from propagating further up the DOM, also prevents any other event handlers attached to the same element. The same element. That's what we want. I was going to write some special code for this. I had a plan, but there's already a function for it. This is great. All right. So let's see. We're going to see if we can make this. So there. To do stop bubble. Done. And stop immediate propagation. All right, so let us do a console log here. Console.log. Let's do const xy. Wait, hold on. Wait. Yes, const chords. Thank you for the party poppers, you guys. Equals get xy. Should I just call it get coordinates? Chords. There we go. I want to call it get chords because it's just a little bit nicer, a little bit more clean. And then we'll say chords here. All right, let's try it. Let's see if it works. Guys. What are you trying to make? It sounds interesting. 1 million divs is what we're doing today. So right here, 1 million divs at the top of the screen there. Bro boy, hey, welcome back. Bro boy. Good to see you. Thanks for saying hi. So y'all are drawing on my screen right now, if you didn't know. If you want to draw on my screen, join the Discord. There's a link here in the Discord, right here at the bottom under link share, and then you can draw on my screen. You'll be able to draw on my screen in real time, no matter where in the planet you are, and it will be very fast. You don't know? All right, no worries. You don't know worries? So this is what we're building. We're building 1 million divs today, which is different than the shared canvas that you see here. The shared canvas is different. It's just different, you guys. It's just a smidgen different. Okay. So let's keep going. All right. How's it going there? Lamb, who want to be. Welcome on in. Good to see you. Also, Fresnil, thank you for joining your subscription. I appreciate it. Well, happy to have you here. You joined the right channel for software engineering. We do data science. We're going to do AI. We do HTML. We're doing JavaScript today. We do it all. Bro Brain is an Intel Ultra 9. That's a pretty good one. YouTube. Hey, never realized you stream. Hey, now we're streaming. I actually worked with one of your teams at PubNub earlier this quarter. Your team was very professional and lovely guys. Hey, thank you. Appreciate it. Hey, that's really neat. YouTube, connect with me on LinkedIn. YouTube us 3R name. Connect me with me on LinkedIn. End up going with another solution. Oh, you did? Oh no, but still a great experience. Okay. All right, that sounds good. No worries. Always good to have you at least chat with us. We do a lot of things. So we've got over 1 billion devices on the network. So just to let you know what you chose, what you didn't choose, I guess, right? So we've got over 1 billion devices on PubNub, and it's very fast, even with all those devices going through. We got 68 patent claims granted. So you know what? If someone else is doing some communication on cloud technology, and they might be taking to the patent, and there's something going on there. Sir, how do you learn the programming so well and fast? It's over many years of coding. Although, don't worry, the AI will let you code just as faster. They can faster than I can code. You don't need to code anymore. You don't need to learn how to do it. You should watch a video about chaos theory. They represent the double pendulums. Ooh, the double pendulums. 25 years experience in coding. Yep, right there. 25 years in tech, you guys, professionally. That's when I actually making money up with it. I've been coding since 11. Although it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter anymore. You just have the AI take care of it. What was here? Was something there? Was I going to put something there? Did I delete something? Here. Let's close that. Okay. So let's open this now. Let's open that. LS. Open index. All right. Here we go. Let's open our div here. All right. Oh, it's nothing's showing up because never mind. Hey, no worries. No worries. PubNub. Oh, yep, exactly. PubNub. Oh. I want to be a vendor, and PubNub decided to go with our competitor. Oh, regardless of your team, it's very nice to work with. Best of luck to your product. Oh, got it. Okay. We should still connect on LinkedIn. You should still connect. I'm over here. Here, join me on LinkedIn. We can stay in touch. Keep in touch. All right. So I'll put over here into link share, right onto our link share. And then let me grab that for you. Copy button. Use copy. All right. So at YouTube, at YouTube. Name 3. There we go. Click that. Click on, and then let's connect. Let's connect. On the LinkedIn, you guys, AI will code and take jobs too. I know, right? It's happening. Steven, I got a new test TV. It's a Japan JVC CRT. It's not new. If it's CRT, it's not new. I don't think so. It's only Japanese language. Is it really? I'm pretty sure. If you said this cathode ray tube, it's not new. Hey, Chris in codes. Welcome on in. Good to see you. Happy Monday. All right, you guys, let's get back into it. Seek the Vault. Hey, how's it going? Thank you for saying hi. Let's get our code going here. All right, so we opened that up, but we need to update the divs to look good now. So this will be, how would you say, how do we do this? All right, so let's see, width equals, we'll do like 5px, height, HEIGHT. There we go. Thanks for the likes, you guys. I'm late. Seek the Vault. No worries. Hey, we've got plenty of time. We got plenty of time today. We're going to be streaming until we get some good progress on this next app here. Background color is going to be, we'll just call it red for now. Well, you know what? How about we do yellow? And then like this. And then we say border equals 1px solid red inset. Like that. You like the buttons? Oh, the buttons. Oh, I love the buttons, you guys. So good to have you here. Happy Monday. All right, let's see here. Let's get back over to our there. There we go. What is that not working? That's got to be working. It must be. Why is my CSS not working? That should totally work. What did I do wrong? Canvas div. It's a div. It's a div inside the canvas. Or do we have to say like children of or something like that? No? Like this? No? I always thought it was like this. Is it divs, right? Div, not canvas, div. Div, there we go. There we go. And this is why. All right. We messed it up. We changed it. Now we got it. Now we know. Oh, you always build something crazy in your streams. Yeah, that's the plan, Guru. Guru Teja, welcome on in. Good to see you. Unknown Gamer Bro, good to see you. Double tap to like the video, guys. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you for liking the video. Thank you for subscribing tried AI. It wrote code, then suggested to make this code work. Ask Steven for debugging help. Yeah, it's usually what happens. It really does. That usually happens. Although not for long, the AIs will 100%. They're getting so good. Oh, they're so good. I use them every day. Hey, how's it going there, Mark Lemon? Good to see you. Good to see you. Welcome back, Mark Lemon. Happy to have you here. All right, so this should start working. What are we making today? We are making there we go. Perfect. Yes, that's what I'm looking for. Although I don't see any of the colors. Wait, hold on. Let me bring this back up. Nice. Perfect. Perfect. Yes. All right, now we're good. All right, so let's do width. Can we go bigger? Is 5 pixels not big enough? 10 pixels. All right, there we go. Nice. Okay. How do we enable auto wrap? What are we making today? This is called 1 million divs. So you see right here on the top of the screen, 1 million divs. And this will be similar to our shared canvas experience here. Similar to the shared canvas experience. However, the difference is that it'll be with divs instead of an HTML5 canvas. We're going to actually use div elements. So let us just take that off. There we go. Oh, no, I reloaded it. Oh, no, sorry, I reloaded the wrong one. Okay, so that looks about right. Now I just need to capture this. Here we go. Yes. All right, perfect. Blue Sky in 2019 using AI. No proof to claim it. They might. That seems like they might have, right? DVM print. It seems like they might have. Just connected with on LinkedIn. Hey, YouTube streamer, this is such a surprise to me. Stumble upon your stream. Super cool. Hey, let me do this. All right, so let's do this live. We'll do it live right now. Are you? Wait, who? Let me. 1 second. Just in case, I won't. I don't want to dox you, so I'll connect you over here on a different screen. I'll go to LinkedIn. 1 second. One moment. Let me pull it up. Okay. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to go to you. Okay. All right, I'm going to connect with you and say hi real quick because I feel like I need to do that. Is your name Andrew? Are you Andrew? Just double check. Say yes or no if you're Andrew because I've got a lot of connection. I've got a bunch of invitations. Or are you Wessel or James? Probably Andrew. I'm guessing Andrew, right? Is your first name Andrew? Yep, that's me, Andrew. All right, accept. All right. Got you. Hey, there you are. You're here on the screen. All right. Hey. Thank you for connecting. All right. Let's chat. We'll chat. We can chat more after stream. We'll get in touch here. We'll stay in touch. Nice. All right. So, clicking buttons, making sure everything's in the right spot. There we go. Okay, bring this back over here. Let me change the color so that way the background will be the same background as this canvas over here. What was the color of that? Do you guys remember? All right, I will desktop, bitmap game, canvas. All right, fill. This color right here. This is what I want. There we go. Perfect. Close that. Save this. And nice. All right. So now it's a little bit less jarring. For those of you who are watching on the screen and you don't like seeing the flash between the dark and light colors. Between the dark and light colors, you guys. All right. Hello. Hey, how's it going there? Roman, welcome on in. Good to see you. Hey, Roman, good to see you. Roman My Ketenoko. Hey, Batman. Hey, it's Batman. What are you making? Welcome on in, Batman. What's your real name? What's your identity? Who's your real identity? We're building HTML5 techniques. Or so 1 million divs is the answer. That's what we're building. We're building 1 million divs. The idea is we've got a problem. There's too many divs to render, although I want to render every div all in view on the screen all at the same time. We're going to figure it out. Hey, Roman, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. Happy Monday. And we have problems with storage and retrieval. That's going to be complex. We need to do some bitmap binary math, some binary mathematics, right? Got to do some binary mathematics. Hey, I'm the real Batman. You're the real one? Hey, we've got competing Batmans, you guys. You look handsome. Well, thank you. That's a great compliment. I appreciate it. Win house tour. Oh, right. Well, what I could do is maybe here's what we'll do, Brandon. We'll start with just the office. We won't tease out the rest of the house. We'll start with just the office at some point. Not yet though. Stay tuned. We'll do it. You love HTML. CSS is a problem though. You love the HTML. All right. Say Roman. We did it. Roman. My. Hi, I'm in Mimi. Ben tip us. Welcome on in. Good to see you. All right, let's keep going, you guys. So, too many tabs to render. Storage retrieval problem. Compression bitmap. Live multi-user experiences. Excellent. Okay. Let's keep going here. So, I want to... So, when you do a flexbox, how do you specify number of rows and columns in flexbox? Flexbox rows and columns specify. I forgot how to do that. You just realized that the same chair. We do have the same chair. Yeah, we sure do. It makes sense because it's just the basic Amazon basic chair. It's Amazon basic chair, you guys. It's so comfortable. Display text. Yep, I want to say flexion row or column. We'll have to decide between the two. All right, horizontal layout, vertical layout. It's the same. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I want to be able to say what's the maximum number of divs in a row. I want to put a limit on the number of elements. Hey, sometimes my localhost says too many redirects. Quick tip for that: too many redirects. I mean, it's a redirect loop. So it's a redirect loop, right? So it's redirecting to itself. It's a self-referential redirect. You got to turn off the redirect. That's what you got to do. Do you have a playlist to learn web dev? Batman, well, technically, no. Nope, we don't. Maybe we will in the future, though. We have a playlist for Rust. We have a playlist for PyTorch, a playlist for Python, right? So those are good. So that's pretty good progress, right? I think 3. HTML and CSS, we sure don't. You need to use grid instead of flexbox. Oh, let's change it up. Let's do it. Let's do grid. Okay. CSS grid. Let's do CSS grid. All right. You changed my mind. We're doing grid. Essentially, isn't this like a table? Isn't this a table? All right. So how do we do it? Display grid. Ooh, grid template. Auto. Background color. All right. So we're going to do a display grid, you guys. We're changing it up. Grid. There we go. Grid. Can you search up Andreas Toomey for fun? Okay. We'll search it up. For you. What do you recommend for mastering TensorFlow or PyTorch? So that's what we're going to... I recommend PyTorch. PyTorch is the more common. It's the more common one. You said it was Toomey. Wait. Andreas Toomey. What is this? Based on your query, there is no widely known individual or entity called Andreas Toomey. Okay. All right. I guess we did that. You need to... All right. So we're using the grid, you guys. We're going to use the grid. You have a good attitude. Well, thank you. Appreciate it. So that's really nice for you to say. I appreciate that. That's a compliment was what you just did. Love, liberty, and justice. You sure do. You sure do. All right, you guys. Let's get going. So we're going to do grid now. We're changing it up. Thank you, Pobez Armerding. How do you say? Armerding. Thank you. We're going to do grid, you guys. Grid. Okay. I've not done that before. So let's see. Let's get into it. So grid. What else can we do here? Oh, look at that. There's a gap. There's grid. Autoflow. How many grids? You put a T in front of it. Did I spelled it wrong? There we go. Okay. Is this it though? Wait. I don't know what this is. How old are you? I'm in my 40s. I'm an old person, you guys. I'm here to expel my knowledge over the decades. I've been in tech for many years now, 25 years in tech. So many decades in technology. I'm in my 40s. I'm very old. And now I'm going to tell you everything that worked for me. I'll tell you everything that works for me. And I'll give you all the answers that I know that at least work for me. There's always more than one right answer. There's always more than one right answer. Why my random name exists? Does it? Does it? I mean, I don't know. I assume that a lot of people's names exist. What does this look like? Next song, please. All right. Wait, not that one. Yes, that one. Let's see if that one sounds good. Okay, we'll go with that song. Did you get a botched facelift? Oh, thank you. No, this is just because I'm old. I'm just old, user. I'm old. That's what happens when you get old, you guys. Your face gets funny. Your face gets funny. All right, so let me see here. What were you doing again? Also, when you get old, you forget what's going on. What's happening? What's going on? All right, so we need to fix this. This should be working, by the way. I don't know why that's not working. Motion, get coordinates. Oh, because we didn't even pass the event in. Steven, you forgot to put the event in. That's why it's not working. Okay, so let's make sure this works. And then we're going to do some grid layouts here. So let's see, grid. Let me double check this. This is grid template. What does this look like? Auto. What is that? Grid template. Specifies the size of the columns and how many columns in a grid layout. The size. So I need an example. That's what I need. You look great for 40s, bro. Thank you, Stephen McRae. Appreciate it. No, you had procedures low-key obvious. Is it low-key obvious? I don't think so. I don't think so. You could possibly want with all those divs, man. I know, so random coder. It's because there's too many divs. That's why. That's more than you need. How's it going there? Sheesh, welcome on in. Sir, I thought you were 25 or something. I know, we're old. We're an old person. A human that is old, you guys. You're watching an old person. How do you figure? You could possibly, we're going to have so many divs, you guys. We're going to have so many divs. All right. So, here we go. So that is that XY creates 2 columns first. All right. So what if I want a whole bunch? Repeat 3 auto. Interesting. Okay. There's 2. I'm not familiar with this. We're learning today. I've never used grid layout before. It's essentially a table, right? It's essentially a table. What happened to your face? How's it going there, Undiscovered? Welcome on in. Good to see you. Happy Monday. Never saw an old person. Are you an alien? I know, right? Never saw an old person. Yeah, it's because we like to stay inside and watch the TV and not, and play video games and play Minecraft. Why would we go outside? 60 pixels, 1 FR, fixed width, then remaining space fraction, then a percentage width. Interesting. All right. So 200 pixels, min max. Okay. Oh. Okay. All right. Let's try it. Cheek full of filler. No, that's because I almost died. I had a very bad health problem, and I got to 100 pounds, and I'm trying to gain weight back, and I gained some weight back, so we're good. I gained some weight back. You can see it. Go back to my old videos last year, and you can see what it looks like when I'm really, really skinny. I look like a skeleton. That's pretty much I randomly got. It's randomly. You're back. All right. Good. Welcome back. Yo, welcome on in, you guys. What happened to your face? All right, we're all good to go. All right, cool. All right, thank you for hanging out with me and writing some code, you guys. So that'll work now. However, we need to do the templates. So grid template. What if we do something like 10 pixels, like that? What if we do that? Then we hide this, and then we see if that works. Is it going to work? I don't know. We're going to find out. And you got filler in veneers, LOL. The second one's true though. That part's true. Yeah, my mouth was. I had braces and a whole bunch of other orthodontal work. That part's true. Yeah, that part's true. Always honest with you guys. Glad to hear you're doing better. Yep, doing better now. Gaining weight, you guys. All right. So is that gonna work? We're gonna find out. Here we go. Oh, look at that. And then it's working. That's working. The only thing is, we still, even with the prevent default, it's still not exactly what I want. It's still not. Oh wait. So what we should do is we should say if target is div, child of is a div. If the element is not It has no ID. What is this? Hey, Undiscovered, welcome on in. Good to see you. This is software engineering. We are building HTML and CSS and JavaScript. We're going to be building something called 1 million divs right here. 1 million divs. Too many divs to render on the browser. Too many divs. So what we're going to do is we're going to do our best to see if we can make it work right. That's the plan. That's the plan, because there's too many divs, you guys. And it will cause your browser to crash because there's too many divs, unless we do it properly. So it's kind of a challenge, really. It's pretty much a challenge. This music is appropriate, I think. I think it's good. I think it's perfectly fine. All right, so how do we do this? 10 pixels? What if we say 10 pixels here? Oh, look at that. Look at that. This is interesting. Whoa. Okay. So then I do need this. There we go. Oh, look at that. That's really neat. Oh, that's really neat. Okay. All right. Now we just need to figure out how to deal with this template. Ooh, try repeat autofit minimax 10 pixels 1 FR. Okay, I will. Let's type it. I'm going to type it. Hey, man, we need to challenge Anthropic. All right, unique URL. We could unique URL. We could. Rendering 1 million divs goes hard. It sure does, system. You know it. Hey, Fosri. Fosri Gating. Welcome on in, Fosri Gating. There we go. Fosri Gating. What is this? We are building 1 million divs, you guys. 1 million divs. All right, so let's try it out. Let's try it. I'm vibing the music. Not going to lie. I know, it's pretty good, Steven. Hey, we've got similar names. Stephen McCree. You and I, Stevens. We are Stevens, you guys. All right, so where do we put that? Right here? Okay, so you said we're going to try repeat. Let's do this. So you said repeat. Repeat. Auto fit. And min max 10 pixels and a 1 FR. Whatever that is. I don't know what that is. What is 1 FR? Did we type that right? Or no, we need one more here. Perfect. Excellent. Thanks for pronouncing my name correctly. Farzi Gadding, you're welcome. Farzi Gadding, by the way. I like this layout. It shows how you do what you do in your keyboard. Yeah, isn't it great? You guys were asking for it. So we've been streaming for a while, a few months now. A lot of people are saying, hey, why don't we get a second camera and point at the keyboard so you can see me type on the keyboard? The only thing is, even if we did that, you wouldn't really be able to see what keystrokes I'm making. Oh, 1 fraction. All right. GL1 T's. That sounds good. 1 fraction. Got it. All right, so let's try this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to comment this out first real quick. Let's comment this out because I want to see what it looks like without it. Okay. Reload. Oh, not that one. Here we go. Oh, hey. All right. Yes. Yes is the answer. Yes, I like it. I do like it. Okay. All right, I'm with it. I'm with it. I like it. Let's add more divs. Let's add a few more divs so that way we can actually get an idea of what's going on here. All right, let's do this. Here we go. Paste. There we go. There we go. Yeah, nice. Okay. I like it. I think we're good. I just need to figure out how to, because what we need to do is make sure that it's, no matter what size of screen we have it on, it's always the same number of elements, X and Y. It's got to be the same number horizontally and vertically. That's what we got to do. I don't know about the right side painting. I know, right? It was going crazy. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to move this over there so that way we can see it at the same time. There we go. So now we're cooking. All right. So what happens if we do this? I think what's going to happen is, yeah, okay. That makes sense. Okay. So what I want to make sure is that the grid, yeah, see the, I need to make sure that the same number of elements are on each row. So that way it's always the same no matter what screen resolution you're on. That's what I want to make sure. Although, does it really matter? Not really. I mean, it does a little bit. I think. It does a smidgen. So let's see if we can make that work. That's what I want. I sent a video of the graph thing in action in general. Just know if you want to check it out. I do. Let's take a look. Let's take a quick look, you guys. All right. Let's go over to our general chat here real quick. When you use repeat, the first parameter is the number per row. Oh, is it? Hold on. Wait. Now I'm excited. Now I want to try this. All right. So repeat auto fit. Oh, okay. So let's go 100. Well, let's do 50. We're gonna we'll change it up. 50. Okay. Let's try it. Is that right? Did it work? Yeah, sure did. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. All right. Perfect. Okay. All right. Nice. Hey, thank you. Hey, we're learning new things. I always wondered. I was like, hey, what is, Flexbox? There's something newer than Flexbox, right? There's something newer than Flexbox. We don't have to use Flexbox. Although, back in the day when I was using floats, I was using float. Do you remember float left? Do you guys remember float left? It's neat. Is it? I think the resize. Yeah, it's pretty great. Because now it's got exactly what we want. And we can change. Oh, it's going to look so good, you guys. It's going to look so good. All right. This is great. Thank you again, PubNub, thank you. We're learning new now, PubNub. It's all because of you. All right, Jen Lou, you said something in general. Let's take a look real quick. All right. Oh, what do you got going on here? What do you got going on there? Okay, so you've got some sort of microcontroller here, microprocessor. You've got an LED display with numbers on it. Oh, is it printing the temperature? Is that what that is in Celsius? 24. Yep, it's the current it's the temperature. So you've got a temperature sensor. Oh, yeah, and you put your finger over it. So now the temperature goes up. Yeah, it's temperature. Hey, look at that. Very nice. Learning how to program computers, you guys. 31 degrees Celsius. Oh, it's gonna catch on fire. It kept going up. Now we know. All right, this is great. Jinlu, thank you for sharing that. That was really neat. It's like some real world physical programming with actual sensors, stuff reaching in the real world. How to borrow this Arduino Uno from your school because mine hadn't arrived yet. Hey, that's a pretty great one. It did the trick. Even had the LED display right there for you. Right there. All right, so let me see here. Min max 10 pixels, 1 fraction. How do we do this here? Let me do this real quick. What does it look like when we do this? All right, so this I think is fine. This I think is pretty fine because it's going to give us the right number of pixels on the screen. So if we do like 1,000 by 1,000, is that too many? That's what I want to know. Is that too many? Yeah, your school puts these I/O shields on top of the Arduino, so you have a bunch of inputs and some of the output methods. Nice. Yeah, that's actually really useful. It's really helpful. Get all those GPIOs. So get some general purpose inputs, outputs. All right, let's keep going, you guys. We got a little more time left today. Let us get going. I want more though. I want more. I'm not done yet. So let's do 100. Let's do 100. There we go. What does that look like? 100. Nope. Reload. There. Oh wait. Oh, did that? Oh. Whoa. Oh, wait. One moment. Oh. Okay. 1 second. 1 pixel. Okay. Yeah. Nice. There we go. Okay. Yeah. Oh, that's so good. Hey, that's fantastic. That's exactly what I want. All right. Thank you. Thank you so much, you guys. Looks great right there. Oh, so good. It's so good. The second parameter in the repeat function is the width for each column. Yep. So you can, we messed with it. We figured it out. All right. So we are good to go now. All right. Do I even need that? Do I need that there? No, we don't need that. Okay. So let's get rid of that and reload that. All right. Actually reload it. Okay, good. Now I don't have the screen door effect anymore, which is great. Although I think I kind of want to add the screen door effect back. Is there like a border? Outline? Or how about a border? I guess you just use border. All right, no worries. We'll just keep the border. And then I'll change it so that way it looks a little bit easier to read. Anonymous, thank you for subscribing. Welcome in. Happy Monday. We're doing software engineering on this channel. We're doing some multi-user experiences today with 1 million divs. 1 million divs. Why that many divs? Because it's way too many. It's way too many divs. That's what we're doing today. And we got them right here. And so you can see our XY coordinate. We don't need the XY. We don't even need the XY anymore. Why did I do that? We don't need the XY anymore. We just need to know the element number. The element number. How do we get the current child ID? How can we... So that's what I want to know. How do we get the child identifier? How often do you stream? Every weekday, Monday through Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We stream system Monday through Friday, usually between 8 a.m. Pacific to 2 p.m. Pacific, around that range. Mostly because we've got a lot of meetings throughout the week, and I have a variety of schedules in my day. Good to have you guys here. Let's keep going. We're not done yet. We're not done yet. Also, I wanted to add the border back. Instead of it being red, let's do a... and then not yellow as a background color. So let's do something different. What color should that be? We'll just go we'll go like 8. We'll do 8s. We'll do all 8s. One solid, and then we'll make the color a little bit brighter. So we'll go AAA. Okay. Let's see if that looks good. All right, that's pretty good. It's still a little strong. So let's do 777. Lucky 777. Yeah, there we go. No, wait. I've got a better idea. 8, 8, 4, 8, 4, 8, 4. 8, 4, 8, 4, 8, 4. That way, because, okay, that's much better. Okay, I like that. All right, we're looking good now, you guys. So we don't need the XY coordinates. We don't need it. However, what we do need is the element ID. We need to know what position each of these divs is in, because we're gonna have a lot of divs. We need to know what element it is currently in the list of children. How do we do that? Is there a way that we can do that, or do we have to enumerate it ourselves? Do we have to enumerate it? Hey, Soki, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Monday. We're doing 1 million divs today. So in HTML, is there a way to do that? I don't think there is. I think we're gonna have to enumerate it ourselves. I can do it myself. I have no problem doing that. Why so many? Because it is a difficult challenge. 1 million divs right there on screen. 1 million divs. It's going to be very difficult to render. Very difficult. So we're going to figure it out. I believe it's possible. And so therefore, let's do it. That's why. I believe it's possible. All right, guys, let's keep going. I am interested in the how to, let's see. With 100 divs, how to tell which div is currently interacted with. I don't know. I think I have a feeling there's a hover event listener. Yeah, there's going to be a hover event listener. I'm wondering if there's like tag. Yep, we have to do it ourselves. Target tag name div. Looks like we're going to have to do it ourselves. Intersection event of target. So I need to know which box it's going to be. Out of 100 boxes, I need to know. So, out of 100 divs, which div in the is being clicked on with add event listener click, for example, something like that. That's what we need to know. I tested the limits of my prompt injection tester today. Ah, Soki, nice. That's right, Soki. We've been talking about this for a while. The newer GPT-5 is so well adjusted, it blocks almost all attempts even to differ from the system role. Wow, that's impressive. Like, be a comparator. GPT-4 is a lot worse. Is it? It's a lot worse? Selector parent container. Yep, this is what we're doing. We did target closest div. All right, clicked div, closest. Event target, the actual element that was clicked. Yep, exactly. Oh, the closest div. Yeah, I know, but I need to know which number it is. We need to know which number it is. I already can get the target. I don't care about that. I already got the target. Target is the actual element that is clicked. I'm curious about this. Please, Python. Hey, that's going to be the plan. Don't worry. We're going to do some Python. That is the plan. Don't you worry. We will be getting back to AI. That is going to be happening. It will. Stephen, how do you have a GitHub? Yes, I do. Fazri Guiding. I sure do. It is Stephen LB. Here you go. Right here on the screen. Stephen LB. Here, I'll type it in the chat. Stephen LB. There you go. We're going to do more Python. We are. Don't worry. That is the plan. We will be getting back into PyTorch. So we did a whole bunch of PyTorch streams last month, and we will be getting back into PyTorch. We will be doing some more AI. It is a very fun activity, very challenging, very difficult, and I wanted to do something visual. So maybe we'll do some AI visuals, right? We'll do some AI visuals. I think that'll be a lot of fun. All right, you guys, let's get back into this here. One moment, please, while I look around. Okay, so that is, where's this? I think we're just gonna have to do this ourselves. All divs, yeah, query selector. No, I need to get the element ID. Current target.id, but what if there's no all divs? If you prefer to attach a listener to every single div, no, we do not want to do that. That would be broken. That would be broken. I need the number, like 44 of 100 was clicked. All right. Wow, that's impressive as you choosing the code without AI. Oh, my respects. Well, we're kind of using a little bit of AI right there, I know. And this is mentioned AI. We're asking, we're researching. So we are researching. So I think, so event listener adding 1 because the index console log. 1 was clicked. Hold on. Wait. Adding 1 because index starts at 0. Where's the index? What is our index? Oh, yeah, okay. See, this is wrong. The AI, it lies to you. You see right here? That's wrong. You're going to get a broken system. If you do that right there, that will not work. It will, but it'll be terrible. It'll be terrible. That is my terrible. My respects to you for craft toward you. That's what we're doing. PyTorch is a challenge. Done a lot of vision projects on it and much better than TensorFlow. Then I begin to learn it. Hey, that's great. I enjoyed TensorFlow. Why is that bad? Because you're going to attach a physical... Well, I mean, digital. Digital. You're going to attach even in this case, it's terrible. So you're creating, for every single div, you're creating a new function and a function reference, right? And every time you hover, you're creating an event listener for each of those elements. You don't want to do that because there's too many. So instead, you're going to create one event listener and one function. And you use that to target every element individually. So this won't work. It'll cause the browser to crash. It'll cause it because we're going to do 1 million. So you want to do efficiency. This is why that's slow. Very bad. Bad AI. See, the AI has got problems. I need to index from all divs, index of. Index of. What is this? So this might be it. This might be it. Right here. Target closest. I don't need closest. I'm pretty sure. All divs. Oh, okay. So it's doing it like this as an array. Okay, let me think about this for a second. Let me think about this. I don't think I like this idea. I think I want to do it differently. I think I'm going to need to index it. I think we're going to need to build our own indexes for this to actually work, you guys. Oh, yes, optimization. That's what we're doing. You're going to learn to the hard way. Yep, the Forerunner. Exactly, Forerunner. Sent a video in the old Arduino program I wrote to do something cool with the LEDs. Did you, Jinlu? All right, we'll check it out. This is why we need to learn fundamental. Yep, you got to learn the fundamentals so we don't just consume stupid AI responses. I know, right? You know. Can you stand up for 10 seconds? Sure, Brandon. Sure. All right, stood up. There you go. I stood up. I don't think that's what you wanted, though. I think that's not what you wanted. It is actually kind of nice to stand up for a second. All right. We're done with that. Chirpin Steven. Chirpin Blum. The Chirpin Blum, you guys. How would you find which div is clicked without having to div? We're going to create an index. Walk around. Oh, what do you mean? Oh, are you trying to like confirm if I'm an AI or not? Right? So you do that by putting your hand in front of your face, right? So you can tell I'm not AI. I can walk around a smidgen. See? There we go. Walking around the chair. There you go. That's it. That's all we're doing. We're done with that now. Sitting for a long time? Yeah, exactly. It's nice to get up for a smidge. All right, you guys, we're going to create our own index. So you like how it's got an index here? Index. This will be the index number from all divs. Index of clicked div from array from all divs. This is a problem as well. Right here. Nope. This will be a problem right here too. Look at that. That is not good. You don't want to do that. That is some slowness right there. What do you think about the whole Discord topic? What about it? Well, Discord's fine. You're probably talking about the security problems and stuff. You still need to loop through all the divs. Hey, Forerunner, I've got an idea for you. We are going... you're right, we do, but we only have to do it once, and we don't have to do it every time an element is activated. So this is why it's problematic. You see, this is inside of an event listener, and it's iterating every single time, right? And it's checking the divs here. I'm going to do something different that's going to be a lot faster. It's going to be a lot faster. While learning right now, right? Someone has to update the AI on this new discovery. Yeah, I know, right? There's a lot of things you got to know. You're still collecting the data. That's it, you guys. Yeah, I think they're talking about the ID verification. It's, ID verification, right? So age, right? Age verification. They're going to, either you need to upload a document or put your face in front of your camera and say how old you are. That's what it is. That's what it is. You know it. You know it. All right, one moment, please. And click some buttons over here. All right, good. So let's get started on this. So we are going to, let's create our div factory. Let's create a div factory, you guys. Let's do it. Let's create a div factory. All right. So we'll do function div factory. There we go. And this will generate some divs. That's what it's going to do. We're going to generate some divs. And we say div factory dot index. I think that's it. I think that's all we got to do. Index, or we could say divs or div count or count. I mean, I think count is a little bit easier because we're going to store the index inside the elements. The video in general, by the way. Oh yeah, thank you. I forgot about that. Can you show the power of what you see from your eyes? What? Brandon, what are you talking about? Oh, the point of view. The point of view, P-O-W, point of P-O-V, point of view. Sure, yeah, at some point. Let me go to Discord real quick. All right. Whoa, check that out. That looks amazing. Let me zoom in on that. There we go. Let's go a little bit bigger. There we go. Hey, that looks epic. The lighting looks epic. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Look at that. It looks like, what do you call it? Like Hollywood. It looks like Hollywood effect. I hope there's at least an accurate ML model so I don't have to upload your ID. I think they're pretty good these days. They're pretty good. They're pretty good, Soki. I think, yeah. I don't want to upload my ID either because then you're giving your full document records over to someone who's just using it so can you use Discord, right? Oh yeah, that's why I called the project called Red Carpet. Now I remember. Oh, nice. True, you guys. So here's what I'll do. I can show a picture. I'll show you a picture of my setup here. 1 second. I'll take a picture and then you guys can see what we're working with here. What we're working with. 1 second, you guys, 1 second. Okay. Here we go. All right, now you know it's real. All right, is that good? Is that good? I think it's all right. Okay. Then I'll put that. No. Now I'll put that on camera. See, now you can actually see. Is that going to work? Is that going to focus? Is that even going to focus? Focus, camera, focus. I'll put it on Discord. Here, I'll tell you what. I'll upload it to Discord. 1 moment. Sharing to Discord. Where's that at? Where's Discord at? It's around here somewhere. All right. Click on the Discord. Hey, I'll put this under, I guess, in general. I'll put it in general. 1 second. Steven General. And then I'll upload the picture. There we go. Done. Okay. Posting. Yes, please post. Okay. There you go. It's in general now, I think. Yep, there it is. All right. That'll work better. Yeah, send it on Discord. Yeah, we did. True. This is the nicest setup of what I meant. Sorry about that. Hey, no worries. All good. Yep, there you go. So you can see the phone holder. The phone holder that sits with the phone on it. And then you've got some speakers and some microphone and the camera. That's pretty good. It's a pretty good setup. I like it. Easy setup. Clean setup. Yeah, exactly. You can almost see no cables. Almost can see no cables. Just about. Thank you. Appreciate it. All right, let me get back to this. Let's create our factory here. All right, so we will say, let's generate, so array, how do we do this? I forgot what the syntax was. What's the syntax again? So this is array 10, right? Can we do that? Yep. Dot join. And go div. And then wait. We need more. We need to do more than this. This is not right. This is not correct. We'll figure it out. I thought there was a TV for a second. Yeah, I know. It's just a regular monitor. It's not very big. It's like 27 inch. It's a 27 inch. It's not that big. Let's see here. What the bars are on the sides of the monitor. Those are speakers. What do you call it? Let me see here. Let's see. Are you talking about? Oh, the bars. Oh, that's just some backlighting. So like right here. So this is a little bit of backlighting there. So that way it keeps everything nice looking. So that way I can have a bright screen and have backlighting. Yeah, those are backlighting right there. Are you using a factory pattern or just function called factory? Silky, I like how you noticed that. It's not actually a factory pattern. It is just a function I call factory. The factory pattern would return a new function that would allow you to create a new element, a new thing, right? It's a new thing. So you factory generate a new thing, which can do other things. It's like a classical inheritance pattern that you can do. Bro, I miss you. Hey, Fantasticals, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Monday. You're creating something either already exists or in JavaScript has been omitted because it won't work. Forerunner. Hey, don't worry. We'll be successful. I promise. Oh, neat. You can adjust the color temps. Yes, you can. Exactly. To detect which is clicked and every div needs a listener. Yep. We're good. Don't worry. That's already done. That part's done. We finished that part. We finished it. And we don't need to get chords anymore. This is going to be different. We need to get div. So this is a to-do change to get index. We need to get the index instead. So we already did it. This is it right here. It works. You can see it. It actually works. It's been a long time. Watched your live videos. Hey, Fantastical. That's great to have you here. We're actually live now. Let me try to take a picture of my setup. Sounds good, Jinlo. I'm going to put the plate off of my desk. Yeah, exactly. That's what I did too. Like, let me clean up a few things here. Yeah. All right. So I actually posted that on the wrong channel. I meant to post it over in here. Copy image. Here, I'll post it. What is it called? It's called Rice. Setup in Rice. Here. There we go. Let me post it in the right channel. I posted in the right channel. There we go. Off we go to the races. All right, so we don't need that anymore. So let's close this. Okay, bring this back over here. Okay, div factory. Add divs. I'm just gonna call it add divs. More divs. Add more divs. Even more divs. All right, so we need 10. We'll do 10 at a time to keep it lightweight. Join. Oh, we can't join. Wait. Split. Is there a better way? Is there a better way to do this? How do we do this? How do we create a bunch of... I want to create like a range. What speakers are those? Those are Kento speakers. All right, so JavaScript range function. I need a range function. I know there's no built-in one. Array.from. Okay, it's array.from. Perfect. So let me do this. Array.from 10. Wait. Hold on. Range, start, stop, step. Yep. Okay. Looks good. Length. I don't want that. That's too much. Length. Index, start, step. Okay. Array from length. Okay. Let's try that. Array, so 10, like that. Comma, underscore, comma, index. Hold on. Oh, got it. Okay. Start plus index plus step. Okay. So this is going to be a function. So 10 double check here. We're trying things out here, you guys. Let's do index. That did not work. How do we do this? 10. Nope, doesn't like that. What is length? All right, start, step, length, floor. Yep, okay, sounds good to me. Array.from length. Oh, right, okay. So we say length. There we go. Now we're doing it. All right, we're a step closer. Yo, Steven, good to see you. Aziz, welcome on in. Happy Monday. Hi, Steven. Is this JavaScript? It sure is. It sure is JavaScript. All right, so I'm typing in a place where it's difficult for you to read right now. It's a really tiny screen. So I did get what I wanted there. So that's good. All right, so array.from. Okay. And then we could just put all of our, so we could say, can we say div, like that. Yes, yes we can. Yes we can. And we can do a template literal right here, template literal. And then we go like this, and then we say index equals money index, like that. Undefined. Oh, well, let's see, maybe do underscore 0. Yes, now we're good. Now we're good. Okay, we got it. Now we're good. All right, perfect. What's up, bro? The last attack. Hey, good to see you. Welcome in and happy Monday. We are building a 1 million divs, you guys. All right. Oh no. I didn't copy and paste it. Copy. All right. There we go. Yeah, now we got it. All right, perfect. Add more divs. All right. We'll just const. Yeah, let's say 100. We'll just add 100. Was that underscore? Wasn't there an underscore there? Yeah, there was. All right, I missed it. So it's got to go underscore equals like that. Okay, perfect. Let me tab that over so it's easy to read. Okay, const divs. Wait, I can't say that because that's already meant. All right, sorry. Extra addition divs, and then we say divs.enter HTML plus equals additional. Let's get that right. Additional divs. There we go. Hey, yeah, now we're good. All right, then we go like this, and we go over here, and go that, plus. All right, there's so many pluses there. Hey, look at that. All right. Perfect. That's what I'm looking for. A data index. Oh, we could do that too. You don't have to do data index, but if you could, if you want to. Forerunner, why do you want it to be data index? That's my question. Why do you want it to be data index? Can someone apply design patterns in JavaScript? I feel like JavaScript is so random and does not follow any rules. It sure doesn't, Aziz. You can basically do almost anything that you want, which I kind of like in a way that allows me to create a simplified version of the language. Very simple code, clean, easy, accessible. The problem is, of course, everyone can do whatever they want now, right? Wild West. If you brand portable speakers, you use, what brand? Portable? I don't have any portable speakers. I just have the Kanto speakers. Attribute getters. Yep, Forerunner. Oh, hey, look at that. Jinlu, is that you? Hey, look at that right there. Hey, check it out. Hey, there's your VR set right there, so you can be in virtual reality. Whoa, your keyboard, look at that. I like your keyboard. It's got all rounded circly keys. What is going on? Wait, hold on. Why do you have this legacy technology on your desk? What's this legacy technology you got right here? Yep, that's my setup. Nice. I like it. And there's a is that a Phillips screwdriver right there? Phillips screwdriver. Why do you have all these DVD RWs going on there? What is that? Is that memory? Is that memory right there? Is that like $1 million? You got $1 million sitting there on your desk. Chaos is the big company still relying on Java and PHP. That is true. The big companies, they sure are. They built their tech. Even Facebook, right? Facebook is PHP. I have an old PC that seems don't like to boot from USB. Well, understood. You've got this memory just sitting there on your desk that looks like a hard drive. Another screwdriver. A wallet. Hey, we've got your identity. And on top of the PC is your old XFS. Oh, yeah, check that out right there. The old video graphics card. It did its work. It played Minecraft well, and it played the things. And now there's something else. But maybe one day you'll revive it in a new setup. That's great, Jinlu. This is fantastic. Good setup. Great setup. Very nice. All right, so what I want to do is I want to make sure that we at least get this factory going, and I want to make sure this works properly. So I want to do set interval, and then we will call it add more divs. Add more divs. And then we will do this every second, maybe. Something like that. Every second. Something like that. I did put specs in the message as well. Oh, you did. So you got a Dell Optiplex monitor. Then you've got an Intel Core i5. 32 gigs of RAM. Wow, like that. Good memory there. And a GTX 1050. On top was your old Radeon. On the desk, your Logitech G305 and a wireless keyboard from an office store. Need an upgrade. That's a pretty good keyboard. My laptop, some RAM. I saw the RAM. And a MetaQuest 3 on the left. There you go. Ignore the square monitor on the left. Yeah, I see it's the square monitor over here. Missing the power cable. Oh no! Well, they're pretty universal on the power cables, I think, right? Pretty universal. Pretty universal, you guys. All right. Thank you, Jinlu, for sharing. That was great. Okay, you guys, let's get back into some of the code over here. I want, before we head out, I'll get a power cable for it soon and then use it for Discord. Nice. A dedicated monitor just for Discord. That's great. I need to do that too. As you saw my desk, you saw up here, I only have one monitor. Because I only need one monitor. I mean, I feel like it would be nice to have more than one. I just only use one. You know what? I wrote PubNub on one monitor. So if I can write, a really big, expensive piece of software on one monitor, what color theme are you using? This is called Groovebox. We're using Groovebox. All right, so at this is called Groovebox, which I very much like. I like Groovebox. All right, let's keep going, you guys. So this should give us some divs. I think it should give some divs. Let's do it every 400. Let's do it Doherty threshold. Let's do Doherty threshold, 300 milliseconds. Doherty threshold, you guys. All right, let's watch that grow. Let's watch it grow. All right, close that down, reload. Yep, there it goes. Although it looks weird. It looks weird. What did we do wrong? We did something wrong. Hold on. That's looking weird, you guys. What do we do? Why is it weird? Oh, got it. Okay, I see what we did wrong there. Okay. All right, let me stop that. All right, reload. Too many divs. Reload, it's broken. I see, I already broke it. It's already broken. Okay. Too many divs. I don't know if this is going to work, you guys. I don't know if it's going to work. We might have... I'm back. Is this 1 million divs? Hey, Kyle. Good to see you. Yes. One monitor is fine. Sometimes prefer two if needed that have docked next to the code. Yep, that's a good way to do it. Someone on the stream while doing work. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Yep. On the VR, you have 3 virtual monitors. That's right. You showed us. That was really great. Set up so I can have Discord on your left, music or video on the right, and then the main content in the middle. Very nice. Yeah, Kyle, we're doing the 1 million divs. Need to capture a picture of your phone and stand and another phone real quick. All right, sounds good. Get that iPhone you got for free. Yeah, you said iPhone 7 Plus, right? Or Pro? 7 Pro Plus? 7 Plus or something? Number 7. I remember that. And you installed games on it. Okay. 7 Plus, yeah, nice. All right, so why that has issue? Why that issue? Oh, let's see here. So that should be working. Here, instead of doing 100, let's do 1 at a time. Well, let's do like 3. Let's take a look. And then let's slow it down so I can see it a little bit easier. There we go. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Thank you for the likes, Kyle. They did not have a Pro until 2019. Got it. So it's the plus. Got it. So it's the plus. Thank you for the hearts. Appreciate it. All right. So see how it's adding it weirdly? It's doing it weird. All right. Inspect element. All right. Let me zoom in on this. What's going on here? All right. So it's adding this strange comma to the mix, right? It's adding a strange comma to the mix. So how about instead of doing, we'll just, here, I've got an idea. I've got an idea, you guys. I've got an idea. Hey, Zib, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Happy Monday. We're writing some HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, and we are making it look good as far as we can tell. Okay, let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this. All right, so there's a comma here. That's a problem. See, that's a problem. Also, 0, where's the 1? 0, 2, 4, 3, 5, 7, 6, 8, 10. What? What's going on? Why is it doing that? Data index? We can do data index. It's, that's not actually the problem, though. That's not the problem. Where'd that at? Where'd that at? Here we go. Data dash. Is it, though? I will be surprised if that was the problem. Yeah, see, that's not a... So now we got data index. Let's see. Let's keep this going, you guys. So this is the problem right here. So the commas. So if we get rid of these commas, then we're good. See, it looks clean without the commas. Also, where'd the 1 go? Where'd the 1 go? Why is it... Is it around here somewhere? Where'd it go? Why is 1 missing? Why is it missing, guys? Oh... It's got 0 and no 1. It's got probably because of how we're doing the plus. So here's what we should do. We should do plus index. Let's try that. Let's try that. See if that's better. You think it's going to be better? I don't know. We're going to find out. We're going to find out. Picture has been sent. Let's check it out. Steven, do you have a TV in the room? Nope, just the monitor. It's non-binary. 1, 3, 4. It always skips. It's skipping it. I think I understand. I don't understand why. We'll figure it out. Why is it adding these commas? Why is it adding the commas? Oh, is there a join? Right here. This is why. This is why, you guys. Fixed. I fixed it. Do you see right there? I fixed it. Boom. Fixed. See, check that out. Oh, it looks so much better. All right. Much better. Much better. All right. Let's take a look at... Oh, look at that. Oh, that's great. Is that real? That looks real. Why is it so... got that beautiful, like, gradient to it? Why has it got that beautiful, like, glow? It's like this glow effect. Why is it doing that? Why has it got that glow effect? That is really neat. Is that real? Oh, yeah, that's the iPhone 7 Plus camera. Nice. Very nice. Yeah, so I knew it was a screwdriver. I knew it was a screwdriver. All right. Jinlu, that's pretty neat. Yeah, in real life, it looks more boring. Oh, does it? All right, it's the camera. Got it. All right, it's the camera. Understood. Understood. All right, so we fixed that. Let's go set interval. And we'll say every 1,000. So we'll, like, let it expand slowly. All right, that looks good. Slow expansion. Let's go 300. Wait, before we do that, though, we need to make sure that we got the element IDs right. The element IDs need to be right. See, it looks good here. 34, 6, 8, 7, 9, 41. Why is it out of order? Why is it out of order? But yeah, the magnetic charger stand. Oh, nice. You have your phone on? That's pretty neat. Why is it out of order? All right, let's fix this up, you guys. And we'll wrap up here. Good to have you here. Thank you for joining in. We'll continue this tomorrow. We're not done yet, though. We're not done yet. We are not yet done. All right, let's close this out here real quick. It does not like orders. It sure doesn't. It sure doesn't. Here, what we should do is let's get rid of all these other divs up here. Okay. Whoops. Okay, there we go. Okay, inspect. 1, 3, 5, 4, 6, 8, 7, 9, 11. What is this? Why is it doing that? I need it. It needs to be in order for my algorithm to work. If it's not in order, it's not going to work. Steven, let's do a knock knock joke. I'll start. Knock knock. Who's there? Brandon, who's there? Who's there, Brandon? What's the deal? What's the deal? Length index, start index, step, time step. Yeah, we're not doing any steps. We're not doing any steps at all. Stereo. Stereo who? Who's there, stereo? All right. Plus count. Count. Yep. More divs. Count plus plus. Yeah, because it starts with 0. We're perfectly fine. How about stereo eating bananas in Hawaii? Hey, that's another bananas joke. Stereo eating bananas in Hawaii with a whole bunch of other tropical fruit. Probably got some pineapples and guava. Something loose on the Arduino case. Uh-oh, just started lighting up in random parts. Oh no, that's not a problem. 7 segment displays without me having it set that way in the code. You've got some loose cabling. Got to be careful. Why is it doing that, you guys? Why? Why is it doing that? Is it because it's length 3, length 10? So we'll do add more divs dot. Nah. Let's do this. Count equals 10. Count. Wait. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Length 3. I don't know. We're gonna find out. Why is it doing this? All right. So this is a problem. This will be what we solve. We solve this and we wrap up today. I just reseated it. You reseated it. Nice. The IO shield and now it's fine. Nice. School equipment, you guys. I'm trying to figure it out. Kyle, let me know if you figure it out because this is a weird one. It's very weird. C 1 3 5 7 9 11. Oh wait, now the step 21. What? It did 21 twice. Why is that 21 twice in there? Hold on. Why has it got 21 twice? This doesn't make any sense. JavaScript is single-threaded. It's single-threaded. We should have no races. There should be no race happening here. What if we just took this? Oh, wait, we can't. Oh. That should... Maybe this is done in parallel. This whole thing is done in parallel. This is a problem, you guys. It needs to be done not in parallel. Not in parallel. I did 21 twice because it watches vines. It does. Exactly. What is let's knock knock joke. All right, knock knock. Joke again. You start. Oh, okay. Well, knock knock. Oh wait, I don't have an answer to that. Just for index equals index. You could. It's just going to repeat though. It'll just repeat is the problem. It'll go back and forth. 0, 1, 10. Yeah, see, it repeats. So now it's in order. This is great. Okay, so now it's in order. 0, 1, but it repeats now. So we got a new problem. We've got a new problem, you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It just repeats over and over and over. So we need an offset. We need some sort of offset. That's what we got to do. Let offset equals. Let's try this. Let div offset equals 0. Let's try this. We'll try this. Button HP 15 and a Ryzen 5, 16 gigabytes and a half terabyte drive. What do you think? Is that great? It depends on how much you paid for it. Noko Gomo. Noko Gomo, welcome on in. Noko Gomo Lazy. Good to see you. Who's there? 1 second. Knock joke. Quick and easy one. A quick and easy one. Hold on 1 second. I'm pulling it up. Little old lady. Array from 1 million. I know, right? You could do a 1 million. That would work. It would freeze the whole computer and it would freeze everything. Everything would get frozen. That's it. How do I get cracked at leak code in a week? Bryce, hey, how's it going? Bryce, good to see you. Bryce Ease, you guys. Well, you don't get cracked by doing leak code. So, I want to tell you that much. Leak code is a fun game. It's a lot of entertainment. You gotta build the puzzles. You gotta work with the puzzles. It is great. It's very entertaining. The problem is, though, you don't really get cracked. You don't learn much from leak code. You don't. You learn more from building an actual application. That's what you got to do. Build an actual application, you guys. That's it. I know Forerunner, 100%. You are absolutely right. That would work. The problem is, though, the problem, solarized you using there. Is that solar? Oh, it's Groovebox. Wait, I spelled it wrong. Groovebox with the U. There we go. Groovebox. What's your Discord? Forerunner. All right. Just because you asked the Discord, here we go. Let's do a copy for you. Copy there. Let me say at Forerunner. Is that the right one? Here. Wait, no. Let me get a different link here. Generate link. Copy. All right, Forerunner. Just for you, since you asked, there's the Discord. Just for you, Forerunner. How's it going there, Sec owner? What's the project? What's the stack? This is simple, straight up JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. No frameworks. The browser is the framework. You don't need to have any React. You don't need Vue. You don't need Svelte. You don't need any of it. How to get cracked to make a new version of leak code and change people so they can get cracked. Oh, now you're talking a whole new level, you guys. I got it for 687. Ooh, 687. Nokogomo. Well, I don't know. Little old lady who. Let's see here. A little old lady who. I didn't know you could yodel. There you go. I didn't know you could yodel. Little old lady who. Agreed. Nice. Forerunner. So what are we building? This is called 1 million divs. So we are going to do our best to get 1 million divs onto a single HTML page, and it's going to be multi-user. So when you mouse over the div, it'll change the color of the div, and it changes the div across everyone's screen all at the same time, simultaneously, everywhere on the entire planet. So that's what we're doing. Is that a record? It might be. Well, let's say it is a record for the multi-user level of experience, right? So 1 million divs, and we have a whole bunch of users changing the colors all at the same time, right? So lots of users changing the colors of each div, right? Each div. So many divs. That's what we're doing, you guys. That's the plan. We're making it happen. Lovely, right? Isn't it lovely? All right, so we do have to head out here. However, good news, we're not quite done yet. Again, I start knock knock. Who's there? Brandon? All right. Let's see here. Features, color theme, multi-user, compression. So there's a lot of things that we got to take care of. Light bulb who? Spelling changing. Did I spell C-H-A? Oh, thank you. Changing. There you go. Thank you, Noko Gomo Lazy. Appreciate it. That was very helpful. I like to just hammer on the keyboard, and whatever comes up happens. Whatever happens. How wouldn't that crash the browser? That's the goal. That's what we're doing. That's the trick. Okay. So this appears very strange. Okay. Oh, I get it. I see what I did wrong now. I know what's wrong. Okay. I know what the algorithm is. I fixed it. I know what the problem is. Div offset plus equals count. Done. Fixed. I fixed it. All right. Let's keep going. Let's confirm that I actually fixed it now. Here we go. Yeah, there we go. All right. Beautiful. Beautiful. Excellent. Success, you guys. Success. Light bulb, what hot like a pot? What? Light bulb. So, knock, knock, who's there? Light bulb who? Light bulb, what hot like a pot? I don't get it. I don't get it. You have to explain it to me, and then it won't be funny because you explained it. Clicking on each div generates random GIF. Ah, you could do that. Break the browser. That would definitely break the browser. That would absolutely break the browser, you guys. One moment. One moment. Hold on a sec. All right. Okay. Hey, Noko Gomo Lazy. I know. Don't worry. We're making it. We fixed it. We fixed it. So we're good. We're good. All right. So now let me see if we can let this go here. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Looking good. Looking good. All right. We'll do this like that. All right. So that will slowly generate the number of divs on the screen. Looks good to me. Looks good to me. Yep. Looking good to me. Console. Perfect. Okay. So does that auto scroll? Is it auto scrolling? Or no, it's shrinking it automatically. It's shrinking it. Here, let's zoom in. Yeah, it's shrinking it. Okay, that's what it's doing. That's what it's doing. All right, all right. Got a question. If a viewer came to your house, would you let them sit on your chair? I mean, I would probably just not answer the door. So, hey, Savon, good to see you. Million divs, you know it. That's what we're doing right now. So as you can see, we're slowly generating the divs. All right, so now that we did that, now that we succeeded there, let me close some of these things down here. All right, perfect. Why not? Because I wouldn't know who they were. Because I wouldn't know who they were. Okay, let's see here. We'd have to plan it ahead of time. So let's see here. No. different song. Okay. All right, so we did that. We're good. We added more divs. We got the offset. We're good. Oh, yeah, I just remembered that I took some more star photos recently. Did you, Jinlu? Nice. Hey, Steven, so what are we doing? This is 1 million divs. So you can see here, 1 million divs. You mentioned it earlier. And we're going to figure out a way that we can render 1 million divs on the screen. So that way it looks good. And we can have multiple users modifying the colors of each of the divs. Old PubNub had a farm. I know, right? E-I-E-I-O. The farm connected 1 billion devices. E-I-E-I-O. It seems that you're familiar with the song. Just a smidgen. All right, let's keep going. All right, so I think we've got everything there. So as you can see here, our divs are generating. Now I want to update. We no longer need this. We don't need this anymore. We just need to get the index. So let's do a new function. Function get, what do we call it? We called it index. So let's call it index. Get index. Excellent. And then we need the event. So we say event const target equals event target. Target. There we go. We say get, what is it? Target dot get attribute and data dash. I don't want to call it data. I'm just going to call it index. We're calling it index, keeping it simple, you guys. Or maybe what we could do is not call it index. We'll just call it I. Keep things short because there's going to be 1 million of them, right? If we have 1 million of them, we need to make sure that we have the minimum possible. Wouldn't it crash the browser? I know, it's the idea. We got to build it so that it doesn't crash the browser. We're building it so it doesn't crash the browser. It clicked. It's a click farm. It could be a click farm too. All right, I get attribute. The attribute's going to be called I. And we need to convert it to an integer, right? So we could say plus return plus return plus target get attribute I. Perfect. I think that's it. That's it. All right, so let's console.log not the coordinates. We're going to call it the index. Get index, event, return index. Looks good. Okay, perfect. Make 1 million divs the $5 prize and put ads on it. All right, and then put them in a dopamine drip, and you have hundreds of users. That could work. You could do it, Kyle. You're thinking like a marketer. You're thinking like a business person. Okay, just have pictures of chicken Big Macs in your photos, I guess. What? Wait, that's a chicken Big Mac. Is there such a thing? There's a Big Mac, but it's chicken instead of beef patty. All right, see if that works. We get it. We did our to-dos. Really? That sounds pretty tasty, but the Big Mac with chicken instead of beef. Yeah. All right. It's all right. Okay. No, it's just sad. All right, let's keep going. So let's reload that. Reload, please. Thank you. Is that gonna work? Clear that out. Oh, yeah. Okay. So it is working. It is working. We just need to change it up. So can we 0? Okay. Okay. It's not marketing, it's just psychology, unfortunately. Yeah, it's basically what that is. You got it. It's basically what that is. All right. So I do believe we mostly took care of business here. We mostly did, you guys. Sent in pictures in general. All right, let's take a look. Let's take a quick look over here. Okay, in general. And then we got to head out, you guys. Oh, look at that. All these photos had a color, temperature, contrast just done to them. All right, so you've adjusted the colors. Hey, is that a cloud or a nebula? It looks like a cloud. It's a cloud. Okay, that's a cloud. That looks really nice. That looks really nice. It's a cloud. Yeah, it's definitely a cloud. I think caught a bit of the virus. Uh-oh, eating during the weekend. Gotta be careful. Yep, you gotta be careful what you eat. Hey, Brandon, good to see you. You're saying hello. That's where PubNub runs. In the sky, right there. You can see it right there. Right there in the sky, you guys. All right, I gotta get going, you guys. I gotta head out. Good to hang out with you today. Had a lot of fun. We're gonna wrap up now. We're gonna wrap up. Let's see. I see one meme in the memes channel. Let's take a peek at it real quick. Let's take a short look at this. Let me close that. Okay. Yeah, in the cloud, right? In the cloud. That's right. We're in the cloud now. That's where the computers run. So taking it very easy today. Savant sounds good. PubNub, my agent framework, 6th Sense. Yeah, there we go. All right, today we share our AI doctor. For the first time, the future is AI that knows more about your body than human ever could. 247 commits. 140,000 lines of code. Months of engineering. Here it is. Final signal through noise. All right. Is that a meme? Is there something funny going on there? I don't see it. Bye, Steven and all. Flip with Kyle. All right, you guys, we're headed out. So much fun to see you today. We'll be back tomorrow with more 1 million divs. Let me commit this to the branch real quick so we've got it running. Let me change this to like something a little bit less intrusive. There we go. Git status, git commit. We added div generator and updated docs. Okay, push. Main, boom, done. That's superpower, is it? It's a lot of power. I will build something cool with PubNub. Kyle sounds great. If anyone wants to brainstorm, hit Discord. Yep, good to see you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out today. We will be back tomorrow having a lot of fun with you in this 1 million divs. Is it going to work? I think we'll come up with some sort of compromise. If it doesn't work, we're definitely going to get 1 million divs to show up. We're going to do this. We're going to do it. Even if we have to scroll. Right? Even if we have to scroll or page, right? Paginate, 1 million divs. I'm going to try to get it to work as best I can. All right, you guys, headed out. So good to see you. Hopefully better by the end of the week. Sounds good. 10,000 divs maybe. Yeah, all right, Jinlu, we can start with something a little bit smaller. We can start with 10,000 and then we can build it up from there as a compromise. Yep, we'll make it work. We'll make it work. It'll be a lot. It'll be exciting and fun. So good to see everyone. Thank you for the party boppers. Thank you for liking the stream. Thank you for subscribing. Good to see you, Savan, Jinlu, Kyle. Good to see you guys. And we'll be back on Tuesday. Brandon, good to see you. Good to see you. Soaker, Soaky. Everyone, see you guys. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.